What's happening? What's good? Top of the morning. Welcome back. It's another episode of Cheef and Chart brought to you by Rap and Doe, the home of money conversations and solutions. It's your host, Don Bucks, the one and only. And if you was here yesterday, pardon self, because my neighbors had a lot of noise going on in my background. And I could get jiggy with that. So I actually got a lot of dope perspective, straight to the point perspective before I got off of here, because what I said before I had to get off pretty much happened. So before I get into all that, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do know how to trade options, and this is from my perspective, what I see. Plays we're in, plays we may take, about to take, why are we taking them? So hopefully this will give you more confidence in your trading. Because we believe in sticking to the script. You find your high probability situation and you take it every time. And you stay consistent. You monitor your risk, how much you put on the table. Decide that first. So hopefully you took my course, because if not, this will sound like Spanish. Hopefully you are somewhat versed in stock options, but if not, definitely tap into the description of this channel, grab the course, it's on sale. Also, the free checklist, make sure you get a hold of that. Like I said, it's free. And it talks about everything I'm going to talk about as far as the parameters of a dope trade. And we talk about it every day. The parameters of a bad trade or a low probability trade, which is what we have going on now. So if you have my checklist, you know we look at the SPY to see what the overall market is doing. From this visual, see that the MACD is above the zero line, which is positive, but the blue line is crossed below the signal line, which signifies consolidation. Consolidation is trading sideways. It's going to meander at a level. That's what it's doing right now, because we're above the zero line, but the blue line crossed below the signal line. So that's what we're doing. Today looks no different. As you can see here, we drop down to the lower trading time frame from the daily. This is yesterday. Meandering at the level. That's it. Because of this downwards momentum on the zero line yet, but it's definitely showing consolidation. On a longer term scale, if we go out to the weekly, and each one of these bars represent a week, we see that we have a divergence. Zero line, right? The blue line is above the orange. Momentum divergence. So you were thinking long term, 6 months, a year out, this would be a bar that you would have got in on to take it to the next level. But as we know, each time frame looks different. This is the longer term, what we see going on daily. We have some consolidation. So yes, longer term we're going up, but in the nearer term, We're trading sideways right now. So it's going to be bouncing basically. So similarly, that word off, similarly, your stock will be mirroring this for the most part. So what are we in? We are in, I believe, and that the SPY has near-term weakness going on. Your stock is going to have some near-term. This is bounce off of the Bollinger Band and a level. Bouncing off of today. I say it goes to 51.50 today before it might go through this look actually. Yeah, it might go to 51.50 today. Might break through and sit, but I'm seeing 51.50 for TSN today. So yeah, let's see. I think we're also in, what's wearing Nike. We're wearing Nike till January, so it's near term. Delta Airlines. We got some bouncery going on here. And as you can see here, this is poised for upside in the near term. We're above the zero line, all right? The blue line is above the orange. It crossed above there a long time ago, back here. So back here across. Zero line, you're supposed to be looking for one of these red bars, which is a momentum divergence. Got one of these red bars, got yourself a couple week out contract, maybe a month out. This is where you would be right now. This is why I play momentum divergences, because every time I did, so, and they just keep being creative. So you would have got it here, right? A couple weeks out. Got it here, a couple weeks out. Every red bar. So if you don't see one in the daily, you drop down to a trading time frame, because each one of these bars is a day. Drop down to a 2-hour time frame, you can see inside of the day. You're more likely to see more of these. So it's above the zero line, like it crossed daily a long time ago. But once it got above here, once this MACD got above here, the zero line, these red bars. This one here. Tag. Wait for another. Boom. A couple weeks out. Not even. Let's see. 74. Cashed out at 35.97. Wait for another one. 35.68. Cash out. This is if you want to play those types of shits. But you can go out a couple weeks or a couple months. especially if we see on the daily what's the next level. Up here, stuff. Still open to I'm not expecting nothing crazy today because like I said, consolidation because of that configuration. The MACD goes to zero line, but the blue line crossed below. So I see this going to maybe for Tuesday before it comes back down. So got some bounce. This is a day trading type of day. It's not like a swing trading type of day. It's a day trading type of day. You know, this is a swing trading channel. You might scalp from time to time, but for the most part, we swing trade. Today is not a swing trading type of day if you're not already in something. I mean, if you can find a momentum divergence somewhere, so be it. Here we go. It's not going to be too crazy today because of that configuration on the daily. Be going up though, longer term. The near term, we're going to be meandering on this level until this blue line crosses back above the orange and then the red bars. That's the momentum divergence, high probability trade that we look for. All right, so watch it. It's still early, but constantly gonna be crazy. The max it might do. Might do 42, 47, maybe. Maybe bounce. I like how this is curving on a 2 hour though. It's curving. We might get it, might have another day or two before this goes back above. We got action again. So never worry. You know what I'm saying? This is always another day where the parameters are going to be better and more probability. Shit. Fuck my J. Yesterday was a day. It's crazy. But we're back today. Hopefully that gave you some insight. If you haven't already, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell so you know when I'm going live. Also, like I said in the beginning, if you haven't already, grab the courses on sale. It's in the description of the channel, as well as the free checklist. So have at it. See y'all tomorrow.